Good afternoon, everybody. Steve Imbarlina from Allegheny County Emergency Services, joined by Fred McMullen from National Weather Service Pittsburgh. It is Friday, January 29th, 2021. Fred's going to give us a briefing on the upcoming winter storm that's going to go through our area this weekend into early next week. And without anything further, Fred, you want to take it away?
Yes, thank you, Steve. Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for having us on this multimedia briefing here. So again, winter is kind of taking a slow start to 2021 with not a lot of snowfall in Pittsburgh, about 5 inches below normal. But again, we're going to be kind of making up for that here as we head into the last few days of the month with this next low pressure system. So here's a surface map showing low pressure system off the Virginia coast. On Monday morning, this will be moving northeast, producing a lot of snow across parts of the mid-Atlantic, eastern Pennsylvania. And then before it gets off the coast, it'll be producing a lot of snow across Indiana, Ohio, and parts of our area. So this map here shows you the probability of seeing 2 inches of snow or greater in a 24-hour period ending Monday morning at 7 a.m. So the blue shading indicates anywhere between 60 to 80% chance of seeing 2 inches of snow. Again, for much of Allegheny County. But one thing to notice is that there's a sharp cutoff as we go through these green and brown shadings to almost 1% chance of seeing it, because again, warm air is kind of our enemy, or if you like snow, it's your enemy. If you don't like snow, it's your friend. And as this low pressure system, as this track changes, if it goes further north than what it's projected to, then this warm air will get into Allegheny County and change all the precipitation over to maybe a wintry mix into a rain event and less snowfall. Currently, our forecast stands with an all snow event as it goes through, but we'll be fine tuning this through the weekend as we move, as we get closer to the event. So right now, here's our current forecast for western Pennsylvania. Again, pretty much a widespread 2 to 3 inches of snow across Allegheny County, a little bit closer towards, Moon, Oakdale, 3-4 inches at close along the county line with Washington County as it stands now. And then here is kind of like our worst case scenario through Monday evening with, if the system was to intensify, again, 4 inches across Allegheny County. Again, the higher amounts will be out here across Ohio. And we go to like our best case scenario. So if you're not a big fan of snow, again, 1 inch of snow. So this would assume more, the low would travel further north. We get more warmer air in here, and we'd have more rain and a freezing rain mixture across Allegheny County. Also, if you go to our webpage, weather.gov/Pittsburgh/winter, it's where I'm grabbing a lot of these graphics, a lot of good information that's updated at least twice daily. So this is Allegheny County. This kind of takes those images and kind of breaks it down based on community and for all parts of the county, north, south, east, and west. So again, it gives you the low end, what's our forecast, and what's the high end. As you can see here, a pretty good probability of seeing at least 2 inches, in between 60 and 70%. But greater than 4 inches, it really drops off dramatically to about 20% chance. So kind of right now, we're thinking, at 2 to 2 inches, worst case 4 inches for the event. Our criteria for a winter weather advisory to be issued is 3 inches of snow in a 12-hour time period to kind of give you a frame of reference. This is when we're expecting the precipitation to start. It's going to be starting in the wee hours of early Sunday morning, after midnight across our area, and the snow will kind of go through the overnight hours, and maybe a little break, and then there'll be another batch that comes through during the afternoon hours. We're looking for all the snow to kind of wrap up sometime Monday evening. Again, we're not really expecting heavy snow rates, inch per hour snow rates with this, where it's going to be kind of a wet snow because temperature's going to be kind of close to like freezing as we go through this event, to kind of give you an idea kind of what the texture will be. And then this map kind of here shows you a forecasted radar loop. And I kind of want to forward this to this will be 7 a.m. Monday. So you can see kind of here's Allegheny County where my cursor is. Pretty much, widespread snow moving in. And then as we go through the day here, I'll kind of forward it. I'll stop it here about 1 p.m. Sunday. Again, you can see the kind of the rain wintry mix just right along the Mason-Dixon line with West Virginia. Again, so if this low tracks further north, this green and pink area will move further north. If it tracks further south, again, the precipitation type will stay all snow. But again, we're expecting, snow to really kind of be light and steady from late morning through the afternoon hours. And then as we get closer, The Sunday night again, it's going to be kind of a light, steady snow as we go through there, as this low will take off over the East Coast. So kind of the things to remember as we go through this weekend. If you have things to do, Saturday's the best day to do them. Sunday, early morning, the snow comes in. Winds overall for the event will be between 5 to 10 miles an hour, maybe some gusts on Sunday night in about 20-mile-an-hour range, but not a real big issue with wind. Wind chill won't be an issue. Temperatures will be climbing into the upper 20s to lower 30s. Kind of where the forecast could go, could alter is if the low tracks for the north, we could get more of a wintry mixed rain event in. But again, right now we're forecasting all snow for the Pittsburgh region somewhere between 2 to 3 inches as it stands now. So weather.gov/Pittsburgh/winter is your page of a lot of resources to use as we go through the weekend. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us at our office, or you can reach out to us on social media as well.
Okay, Fred. So essentially we're looking at between 2 to 4 inches, and this is going to happen over about an 18-hour period, give or take.
Yeah, actually, it might happen over more than that, Steve. There'll be snow lingering into Monday, so we're thinking maybe 2 to 4 inches over a 36-hour period.
Okay, all right. So it's spread out over a long period of time, which would be why the low snow rates. And you expect, because of the temperatures, of it being a wet, heavy snow.
Correct. Yes.
Okay. All right, Fred. I think we got a good one here. We'll get it out to our emergency management coordinators, our police chiefs, fire chiefs, and EMS chiefs. And if anything changes, we can always put an update out. Continue to watch your email from our EMA division. They put out any advisories that come out of your office as well. So again, thanks, Fred, and we'll talk to you next time.
Okay, sounds good, Steve. Thank you very much.
All right, thanks.